Have you ever taken a picture of a moving object? You might find the pictures often turn out blurry, but what if I told you solving this issue with a different kind of picture could save the children? Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, uses a strong magnetic field and radio frequency pulses to acquire images. While most cameras can take a picture in 1/4000th of a second, an MRI takes many minutes. With your body moving during the acquisition process, you cannot get a clear image. Instead, you get a distorted or blurry image, just like the car we saw earlier. Now imagine taking an MRI of a heart of a fetus while it wiggles around. Blurry images make diagnostics and interpretation very difficult. Reducing the image blur from fetal motion can be accomplished through something called sequence optimization. Before an MRI takes an image, there are various settings the scanner uses that are changed to best capture the region of interest. This set of parameters is called a sequence. Sequence optimization entails experimenting to determine optimal settings for the highest quality image, sort of like changing a camera lens. Now, for all experiments, if you do it once, you must be able to replicate the results. However, fetal motion is erratic and cannot be replicated. Since a natural fetus can't be used, we can use my research to 3D print one of our own using synthetic materials. We can then make a robot to move the artificial fetus in a physiological motion pattern. This ensures the motion is reproducible, allowing for sequence optimization. The sequences developed from the artificial fetus can then be used on a natural fetus to produce clearer images. When an image is distorted, it cannot be used clinically and a rescan is required. This technology not only improves the image quality, but it also prevents delays in diagnostics and the incurred costs. To put this in perspective, one study discarded 75% of their 106 datasets due to blurring and distortion. Can you imagine spending 4 times the time and money on every patient? When these images can determine if a surgery or intervention is required, the life of the fetus could be at risk. And let's not forget, a happy fetus means happy parents.